going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sunny, and today I got a little bit of bad news. I started my car, got this check engine light on and a whole bunch of Christmas lights. It says engine malfunction, reduced power. So it looks like I'm in limp mode. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to my mechanic, have him take a look at it, see what's going on, and try to get this fixed as soon as possible. So heading over to the mechanic now, gonna see what he says. Hopefully it's something simple, not too crazy. And it's so cold out. Can't wait till it's summer, man. Yeah, this isn't like the best feeling. Like the car is just like, it just drives horribly. Like I can't wait to get this taken care of. It's like very sluggish and slow. This is like the worst. And it's like, why is everybody driving so slow? Look at this. Everyone's just driving so slow. Alright, so I'm almost there. It's a local gas station. I usually bring my car here. They work on BMWs, Mercedes. I had a few things done over here, so these guys seem to know what they're doing. I brought my E46 here a lot of times before I got rid of it. So yeah, so I'll get this taken care of so the car could be driving back to normal again. Oh, check out this E46 coming. Brings back memories of my old car. Oh snap, look at this E46. Oh man, I miss my E46. Pulling into the shop right over here. Like they're doing some construction or something.
So just a quick update, guys. I dropped my car off at the mechanic. Turns out I need throttle actuators and thermostat. So what I'm gonna do is order the parts online, and hopefully I'll get my car back sometime soon this week. So I'll see you guys.
Day 2.
So I got my parts. They came in the mail today from ECS Tuning. So I'm gonna unbox them right now.
This is the thermostat. Looks like they got the rings as well. Here's one of the throttle actuators. Here is a second throttle actuator for bank 2. Okay, so here's the thermostat. And these are all OEM parts. Here's one of the throttle actuators. Here's one of the throttle actuators, and this is OEM. Some people, what they do is they replace the gears instead of getting a full piece. But in this case, I just went ahead and got the full part instead of just changing the gears. So this will be for bank 1. And then here's the other throttle actuator. Yeah, so I can't wait to take these parts to the mechanic and have them put them in so that she can start driving like new again.
The next day.
Hey guys, so it's a new day. I got a call from the mechanic. He says the car is ready. It's good to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head down there to pick up the car, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So let's go. Okay, so here it is. My car is here. I'm gonna pick up my car now. The car's here, the car's ready. Car's a bit dirty, but it's ready to go. So I'm just waiting now to pick it up. Alright guys, so I'm driving the car now. The car drives much better. Don't have that limp mode anymore. Man, I'm like so excited. Check it out. I just have that tire pressure light, but that's always been there. And back to normal again. Woo! Alright, so I'm gonna do a breakdown of how much it costs. I replaced the throttle actuators and the thermostat. I got the parts online, so I'm gonna break down the whole price, and so I'm gonna break down the price and how much I paid and everything. For any of you that might be experiencing the same thing with your car and looking to get the parts, honestly, if I had the space and the time, I'd probably do it myself, but don't really have time to work out on my cars as much as I'd like. But yeah, man, I'm excited. I got the car back, driving again. It's cold in New York. Can't wait till it's spring, summer, so I can start dropping the top. Check her out. Woo! Alright guys, so the car is fixed and it's good to go. So right now I just wanted to kind of give you guys a breakdown of how much I paid to replace the throttle actuators as well as the thermostat. So I went and got the parts from ECStuning.com, and for one throttle actuator it was about like roughly $630. So I got two because I wanted to replace bank 1 and bank 2. Usually it's good to replace both, because if one goes out, then more likely the other is probably going to go out sometime soon. So 2 throttle actuators, $630 each, looking at roughly $1260 just for the parts. And then the thermostat, I also got a thermostat replacement kit from ECS Tuning, which included the coolant and the O-rings and the thermostat itself. That was $142. So in total, just for parts, it came out to like roughly around $1480. So just for parts, $1480. And now for the labor to put in the thermostat and then both the throttle actuators, I went to a local shop. I'll put their information down below for anyone that's like in the Westchester County area in New York that wants to get their car repaired there. They work on all kinds of cars, Mercedes, BMWs, European cars. They're really good. So for the thermostat and the throttle actuators, just labor alone, they charged me $600. So in total, my total was roughly like close to $2 grand just to replace the thermostat and the throttle actuators. Now, you might just only have the throttle actuators that you're looking to replace. So if you're just doing the throttle actuators and you don't have to also do, in my situation, I had the thermostat that needed to be replaced. But if you're just looking to replace the throttle actuators in your BMW E92, E93, E90 M3, you're looking at roughly, let's say, for 2 throttle actuators, $1267, and for labor, I would say you're looking at around roughly $300 in labor costs. You might be able to get it if you could find someone that could do put them in for you for less than $300. Then that's a bonus. So let's say $1267 plus $300, you're looking at $1567. So yeah, so just to replace the throttle actuators, and this is going to like a local shop. If you were to go to the dealer, you'd probably be spending, who knows what, probably like $3 grand or more. So throttle actuators with labor, if you could get the labor for like less than $300. Parts alone are roughly about $1,200. So you're looking at around like $1,500, $1,600 to replace throttle actuators. So I hope that helps. Anyone that's like in a similar situation trying to get their throttle actuators replaced on their BMW M3, hope this helps. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.